because this score did not make a score on my candy chart. Hello, Tiny Reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing SKOR, delicious milk chocolate and crisp butter toffee. It stands on the back side. No way, the nutrition facts are probably in here in the wrapper. Nutrition facts and ingredients. It contains milk, chocolate, skim milk, sunflower oil, chocolate. Yeah. Well, let's eat it. I think I'm gonna be very happy with this thing. My mother chose it, although she's not a fan of chocolate. This chocolate is melted. How am I supposed to eat melted chocolate? Okay, how am I gonna open this thing? Look at that. Oh, well, goodness. Oh, there we go. That's something more like it. Just kidding. Okay, let's see if I can put it on a napkin or something. Here we go. It's too melted. He says to grab it. All right then, that worked. Then, well, let's just cut it into thirds because my mother might like it as well. Ugh, chocolate. I have to grab with both ends, do I? The weather is hot anyway, so it makes sense. Let's cut this in half as well. Okay, mister, you're going out for a second. Excuse me. You get the small half today. You get a fourth. It's crunchy. It's crunchy butter toffee. My mother will not like it. Be right back. Mother did not say anything actually. She didn't do anything else. She just chewed. Honestly, you need to melt this in your mouth, but we just went ahead and just bite it into it. But actually, my father thinks it's good. This is not my style. My father loves it. Well then, that's yours. Well, this is not mine. SKOR is not my favorite. Well, I learned a lesson. No SKOR for me. Because this score did not make a score on my candy chart. Wordplay. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again on this brown too. See you again in other videos. Bye!